make it between now and the end of the semester.
Okay,
Okay,
I do.
cool.
Okay, I am recording now.
All right.
Okay, I have to share.
I'm going to close my door real quick here.
Okay, can you see the page, my screen?
Yep, looks good.
Okay. My topic is manipulating CSS class properties using JavaScript. Okay. Why would you set styles using JavaScript? Okay, in the common case where we use style rules or inline styles to affect how the elements looks, the styling kicks in when the page is loaded. There are many cases, especially as the content gets more interactive. What we want styles to dynamically kick in based on user input. Some codes, I can see the some codes run in the background and more. In this sort of scenario, the CSS model involving styles rules or inline styles won't help us. While pseudo selectors like hover provide some support, we are still greatly limited in what we can do. I don't know if it's clear for you, that part.
Yeah, what's a pseudo selector? You know what?
When we use the CSS styles, the page is loaded with backgrounds or colors of the letters, something like that. But in some scenarios, we need to change these styles, and basically when the users put some information, and we need to change the styles. In that case, CSS cannot help us with that. For this reason, we can use JavaScript. The solutions we will need to employ for all of them is one that involves JavaScript. JavaScript not only lets us style the element we are interacting with, more importantly, it allows us to style elements all over the page. Okay, the freedom is very powerful. This freedom is very powerful and goes well beyond CSS limited ability to change the content inside, or very close to itself. Okay, I have some examples for this. In this case, we have some style. Okay, the color is black. Okay, this is the style in the class WoW. Yes, and
so Daniel, are you? All I see is the slide right now. Are you showing another?
Sorry, I can't hear you.
Are you showing the example, or?
This is example.
Because I only see the slide. Are you seeing anything different, Addison?
No, you probably just need to change the screen or something.
Can you see the example?
Yeah.
Okay, sorry.
That's okay.
Okay. Here. Okay.
Oh, cool. Perfect.
Okay, and so this is a example. We have a little style in this text. okay, and we have an input, okay, and we go to change the okay, this is the first this first, okay. We have two H1 element and P element, and we go to change the color of this text, okay.
Okay.
Use script, JavaScript, okay, and we put a button to reach that. Okay, this is the text, okay, and we go to change.
I think.
Can you see the page?
No, I think you gotta
Oh, sorry.
switch the one again.
I don't know how to do that. Sorry, I don't know.
You're good.
Okay, here. Okay, and
Perfect.
There you go.
the result. And when I push the button, the colors is blue and red. Okay.
Cool. Okay.
And sorry. Okay. Because we add this function in JavaScript, and we change the colors in this part.
Awesome.
Okay. Another example, it's here, and now we have an input, and I go to put a color, and the text is change the color. Okay. I go to put the okay. Here. Okay, can you see?
Yeah.
Okay, and in this case, I go to put a color, okay, blue, for example, and the text change.
Oh, cool.
Okay, I put another color, green, for example, and the text change of the color.
Awesome.
Okay.
Cool.
And now we go to view the next part, because we have to change a lot of things in JavaScript. I go to share. I don't know what. Sorry. I go to.
You're good.
Okay. 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 Where is some? Okay. Here. Okay. And we can change a lot of things in with JavaScript. And this is the styles that we can change: align context, align items, and we have a lot of things that we can change. For example, background color. For example, we can change in this part. Use this element, and the background change. Okay.
Okay.
Another part is that we can change the class of the in our CSI styles. We we can change the class of the CSS. We use class list property, and this property is useful to add, remove, or toggle CSS classes on an element. The class list property is read only. However, we can't modify it by using the add, remove, or toggle methods. This is an important part because the class list property is not supported in Internet Explorer 9 and early. However, we can use the class name property, and I have some examples for this, the class name property. And now I want to share some examples about that. It's clearly for you that?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. Okay, I go to share this part. Okay. Okay. So in this part, we have a style dot my style that is this part. Okay, this deep element. Okay, and I put some styles for that. Okay, but I want to change or add a new class name that has this style. Okay, and I put always a button to change this class. Okay, I just use this part, my div, that is this part, and I use this property, class list add.
Okay.
And I go to add this new class name to the to this text.
Oh, okay.
Okay, and I go to show how works that. Okay. 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 So we have we have this text, and I go to add a new class that change this style. Okay.
Okay.
This style has a new color in background and in the color and the letter.
Awesome.
Okay. Now I go to remove the class, and I change just that. Okay, this is the style. Okay, and I go to use the property to remove this style. Okay, so I go to show what happened. Okay, and when I push the button, all the styles it's removed.
Okay.
Okay, and when now the toggle property. Okay, I just and new. Okay.
Cool. Awesome.
Okay. And when I push this button, we have changed the styles and to go into the first styles and the second styles.
Got it.
Okay.
Okay.
And finally, I just want to talk about this class name that is support to Internet Explorer 9 and early versions. And this part is interesting because I was searching about that, and we have the same styles, and just I go to add a new class name, yes, but when I push the button, this first styles is erased and just want to, and just we have to the second class. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. Okay. This is the first part. We have a style, and when I push the button, the style change, but we don't have the the class that we had before. Okay. And the last property that I want to show you is okay, is this part, and we add the plus here. This new class is combined with the class that we had before. Okay. And I go to share. Okay. And okay.
Okay.
It's combined the first class with the second class.
Interesting.
Okay. It's very interesting, but the ways that we can't change the styles is a lot of the properties, and I want to show you just a little bit about the properties.
That's awesome.
Okay. And that's all, I guess. And my last slide is thank you.
Cool.
Okay.
Awesome, man.
I don't know if it's clear for you.
No, it was. That was great.
Yeah.
Yeah, I actually wasn't even clear on kind of what class list was doing until you showed that. So that ties into mine a little bit too.
Okay. So I don't know if I stop the recording now.
Yeah, and then I guess I can start mine as soon as I start.
Okay.